we talk about data, we talk about how your data is the public domain, but we're not talking about 100% of your data. You control your data, and they are data that's never ever left your body, your physical self. There's data that your feelings, your intuition, none of that is anywhere near the large models, right? And then if you think about it, that's the most precious data you have, is your experience, how you reason, how your the logic works, your wealth of experience, how you conduct multimodal reasoning, and none of that is even remotely achievable by AI models nowadays, right? So, but there's also the fact that every time if you talk about human AI relationship now, this is the AI models, whatever model you fancy, and let's face it, most people are using AI now, and then this is you, and the data transfer has been this way. Yeah. You might get 10 pages of a strategy document after 10 seconds of prompting the AI, but then it's what you, from your 20 years of experience of how that strategy document should cover, what it should entail, what is the strategy that.
So it's who's prompting who.
That's right. The data transfer has been this way. Now, this is another dimension that people, I think, since we talk a lot about data, right? And I think just maybe one more, which is very important. Previously, the data prior to AI has always been raw, unprocessed data. This is your photos. This is whatever clicks that you performed. So they're like raw data that maybe doesn't mean much. Yeah, I mean, obviously you can do recommendations, but it's still quite rudimentary in terms of what those data can achieve. But now, because of this prompting, you're really thinking about you're injecting your domain expertise, your life experience, your networks, the data that's implicit to you, that defines you, one way to the models. So I think everybody should think about that, because this is a different type of giving away your data that's more you than prior to the AI models.